se escondió en el árbol.
Ahí está otra, mira ahí atrás. El agua.
Coming up ahead here, we're also being passed by the greater flamingos here on our left. The greater flamingos, they are the largest of the flamingo species, even though they only weigh 9 pounds. They are the largest. And they are also the palest. Other flamingos will be much darker pink in color. And a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. So we'll leave that flamboyance of flamingos behind us and continue on ahead. Looks like we get to see a little baby white rhino upcoming here. We'll go around here. See this baby, and we'll see its mother over here on our right. These white rhinos, they weigh at around 4,000 to 5,000 pounds. And we'll just let this baby cross the road because it just wants to catch up with its mom. It's on the other side of the road, so we don't want to separate them. Like we're able to see this baby, it is a little bit muddy. Most likely been rolling around in these mud pits to coat their bodies in mud. It just helps to keep them nice and clean. You see the mama and the baby. Very beautiful looking. And now you can see the mud pits that one baby was most likely wallowing around in. If you look way in the back then to your left, you might just be able to see there is a cheetah. It's lying down all the way in the back there. Again, it might be really hard to see because they camouflage in pretty well with their surroundings. But if you're just able to see that cheetah is the fastest land animal. It can run at speeds of 60 miles per hour.
Esperemos encontrar al cheetah.
3 seconds. And up ahead here, we're going to be heading to the Kobe Rock Formation. So see what animals we can find around here.
Mami, ¿por qué ese tronco es verde? Es la ropa del Rey León. Sí, mira. 22 minutos con 22 segundos. Los avestruz.
Looks like you will get to see the largest flightless bird there on your right. That is the ostrich. Also some zebras in the back there. And also this brown animal called the bontebok. We'll be able to come around though and get to see all these animals one more time. Don't worry if you're already able to get these. Yes.